Good morning, children. Hope you're all safe. This video is focusing mainly focusing on three key elements with regards to Vasavi's virtual classroom. Daily, we are receiving a lot of messages requesting that to give username and password. So, during that process, we found a lot of students have difficulties at the time of signing in and at the time of handling the classes. So this video is for those children who are facing difficulties. So hope you all of you aware that how to install Microsoft Teams from Play Store. So I am not going to touch that part in this video. So Microsoft Teams, this is how it looks once you install from Play Store. In this primary screen you have to click on sign in instead of sign up for free. You need not to click on sign up for free because we are giving you username and password, school registered password, so username, so you need to click on sign in. So what I'll do, I'll try to sign in with a test user ID which students should not supposed to use. Okay, this ID is only meant for the instructional video. This ID is not meant for any student who can access the Microsoft Teams. So you need to enter very carefully test at the rate Vasavi Schools on Microsoft.com. I am repeating once again, this user ID is only for this instructional video only. Don't use this user ID to access to any of your personal purpose. I have entered my username now. Now I'll enter, now it is asking for the given username I have to enter a password. So always remember, in your password which is given by school, the first letter is always capital. There are no spaces, it's a single text. So now I have given my password. Here don't give any room for any kind of error, because once you attempt twice with the wrong password, your ID will be blocked. So it's very difficult to retrieve your password and give it to you. So be very careful while entering username and password. Let me check. test@vasavischools.onmicrosoft.com. So all clear. Sign in. If you want to save your password, you can save in your Google, but I am not saving it. Yeah, so this is the first screen that you get some basic guidelines about how Microsoft Teams works. You just click on next and got it. Yeah, then you will come to this screen where you will find activity at the bottom, chart, teams, assignments and calendar. You could see here it is showing you are not on any team yet, because this test is not added to any team. So what I do in my laptop, I'll try to add this test ID in any one class, and you see how things will change. I am adding this to class 9th. See, as I have added, so I could see class 9th Olympiad. In some cases, when you first entered, you might not able to see all these 4 channels here: biology, chemistry, mathematics, physics. You may not see all. In that case, what you will see on the screen, you see 4 hidden channels. You need to click on those 4 hidden channels, select all these channels and come back to this team screen. Then the next thing that you need to do is add all these channels to your calendar. When you click on one subject, you could see here a scheduled meeting of 9th biology 11:30 to 12:30. You need to click on this. You will get to these two options, join as well as add to calendar. Don't straight away join the class. First you need to add all the channels to your calendar, so it is easy for you to join the classes. So click on add to calendar. You will see meeting added to your calendar. Now come back to team screen. Do the same for remaining subjects as well. Now I'll do it for chemistry. Add to calendar. Come back. Do it same for mathematics as well. As it is showing, I already added, so I just accept it. I did not to change that. Hope physics also might do same. Yeah, accepted. So because I already did this in the earlier video, so it is showing like that. So now I need to check whether all these channels are added to my calendar or not. Then I'll check in calendar, where I could see mathematics, physics, chemistry and biology. All I could see daily I'll have 3 classes. Chemistry is cancelled, class and its timings, and today I'll have 11:30 to 12:30 biology. So when the clock ticks 11:30, I just have to come to Teams, go to calendar and click on join here. That's all I have to do, and that's all you have to do it. You need not to go to Teams, click on subjects. Unnecessarily do not enter into Teams, enter into any channel or any class when time is not right. Suppose now it is 10 o'clock. I should not join the meeting of 9th biology before 11:30. That's the rule. No one will stop you to join before 11:30, but still you should not join before 11:30. That's a thumb rule that you all have to follow. Now we have covered two aspects: entering username and password correctly, then adding your classes to your added your subject to your calendar. As you could see, daily I have 3, Saturday I'll have 1. So as of now, these are the things. When it comes to if any teacher assigned any work, so how to send their feedbacks to the teacher. Suppose if teacher is asking you to send through pictures, teacher might be asking you to write it on a paper, solve it on a paper, uh, take a screenshot, capture it and send it to the teacher. In that case, you need to go to chat. Here you need to select the respective teacher, whoever it is. If suppose if physics teacher is asking, you need to select the name of the teacher and click on chat. Here you can share the picture that you have taken, or you can type your answer. If it is 2-3 lines, you can do both. So that's how you will send. So now we are coming to the last aspect of the video, where I will be explaining you the rules of being a good for being a good digital citizen or being a digital student, especially with regards to ASVI High School and Microsoft Teams. First and foremost thing, you should not touch any of the settings which are under your control while the class is going on. You need to follow the instruction which are given by the teachers during the class and after the class as well. Next important thing, you shall not have any DPs for your profile. It's a strict and mandatory rule of our school. You shall not have any kind of DPs to your profiles. If I found any DPs, I'll simply block the user and I'll delete the user from the Microsoft Teams. In that there is no doubt in that. Third thing, while class is going on, if we found that you are not observing the class, though your video is off, Microsoft Teams, we can see, we can understand what activities you are doing while the class is going on. If any such things are found, you will be immediately removed from the class and given a notice after that. And last important thing, while class is going on, no student are supposed to record the class and send it in the chat boxes. It causes a lot of disturbance for other students, teacher, and for the admins as well. It's very difficult for children to find the material which is shared by the teacher. If there are only few students who are doing that, hope after watching this video you don't do this. If we found that you continuously do that, I'll just simply remove you from the Microsoft Teams. And beyond this, if we found any suspicious activities, or if you are doing anything that which is not as per the norms, you will be removed from the teams. And most importantly, make sure that you are attending the classes regularly. If we found that you are not attending classes consequently for 2 days, your user ID and password will be blocked by the admin. So hope all the instructions are very clear, and make sure that your friends also join the classes, and don't miss any class, and have a wonderful and happy digital learning. If you have any queries, you can text me on my WhatsApp number, which is there in your school apps, but please don't call, only text me during 10 to 5. Thank you so much. Have a good day.